Hello everyone and welcome. It is July, so I am going to continue our Birthstone series with Ruby. I'll be using my 4.5-inch DIY stencil. I'll put a link for it down in the description. I have doctored this one up with my new screw hole punch. Y'all, I am loving that thing. If you're curious about how I made these perfect little holes in this DIY stencil, check out the community page. I made a whole post on it with links and all. I'll also put a link for it in this video since I mentioned it. All right, you guys, after I get these guidelines on here, I am going to have a little bit of fun with red and ruby and everything I can think of that goes with it. The first paint I reached for was called Royal Ruby, but I don't quite think so. So I'm gonna doctor this up. It looks a lot like copper to me and I want it more red. So I'm gonna be mixing a little bit of paint. I'll be doing it all on screen so you can see what I'm doing and follow along. You guys, let's make July the best birthstone they ever had. Don't worry about taking notes. All the supplies I use in this video, I'm going to link down in the description. And at the end of the video, I'll do a supply recap right on the screen. You guys, check out channel memberships. Channel members are getting early access to a lot of my videos, and the extra support they're giving me is really floating this channel. I just want to say a little special shout out to the channel members. Thank you so much. Now I want to give a great big happy birthday to all of my July peeps, and let's get painting. Oh, holy moly, and happy birthday, July. This rock is so red and so ruby-y. I just love it. You guys, I hope you like it too. I hope you know someone that was born in July and you can make a special gift for them by using this tutorial. Or you can always go buy this stone from my eBay shop. You guys, it needs a home. All of my art needs a home. Share around my links and help me out. I hope you go down to the description and find all the supplies you need. I hope you find the videos that help you out. If you have any questions, leave me a comment down below. If you're a July baby, say that's me in the comments. I can't wait to do this again next month with a whole new birthstone. I'm going to go ahead and leave a full playlist right here of all of the birthstones we've done so far this year. You guys, this is turning out beautiful, and I can't wait to do some more. All right, here's your playlist, and here's another video you might like. Until next time, rock on.